In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon. Number 1, VIOFO A329S 4K 3-channel dash cam, 4K front plus 2K cabin, 210 degrees fisheye plus 2K rear, Starvis 2 sensors, Wi-Fi 6, parking mode. Supports up to 4 terabytes SSD storage. Triple channel recording, capture front 4K, cabin 2K 210 degrees fisheye, and rear 2K simultaneously for full coverage. Sony Starvis 2 sensors, enhanced low-light performance for clear footage day and night across all cameras. 4K Ultra HD front camera delivers sharp, detailed video. Number 2, Vueroid S1 4K Infinite 3-channel dash cam, 4K front plus 2.5K interior and rear, Starvis 2 night vision, 5G Wi-Fi GPS, 24/7 parking mode. Car surveillance camera. 3-channel recording system, capture front 4K, interior and rear 2.5K simultaneously for full vehicle coverage. 4K Ultra HD front camera provides crystal clear footage for detailed road recording. Starvis 2 night vision, superior low light performance for clear nighttime driving and parking footage, interior and rear monitoring, ideal for rideshare, family safety, and full situational awareness. 24/7 parking surveillance, continuous monitoring with advanced parking mode for vehicle protection. 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, fast wireless transfer, and real-time viewing via mobile app. Built-in GPS tracking, record speed, route, and location data for added security. Loop recording and impact detection, automatically records continuously and saves critical footage during incidents. The Vueroid S1 4K Infinite 3-channel dash cam is a high-performance vehicle security system designed to provide complete protection and peace of mind on the road. Featuring a powerful 3-channel setup, it records in 4K at the front and 2.5K for both interior and rear cameras, ensuring every angle of your vehicle is covered. Equipped with advanced Starvis 2 night vision technology, this dash cam delivers exceptional clarity in low-light conditions, making it ideal for night driving and parking surveillance. Whether you're commuting, ride-sharing, or traveling, you'll always have reliable, high-quality footage. The 24/7 parking mode offers continuous monitoring even when your vehicle is parked, helping to capture unexpected incidents such as impacts or motion events. With built-in GPS, you can track driving routes, speed, and location data, adding an extra layer of security and evidence, thanks to 5G. Number 3, WOLFBOX G900 Tripro 3-channel mirror dash cam, 4K front plus 2.5K cabin plus 1080p rear bumper, Starvis 2 IMX678 night vision, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, GPS, 256 GB card included. Triple channel recording, 4K front, 2.5K interior, and 1080p rear bumper camera for complete vehicle coverage. Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, advanced night vision for clear, detailed footage in low-light conditions. Mirror dash cam design replaces rear view mirror with integrated display for a clean, modern setup. Rear bumper camera, external rear camera provides better angle and enhanced rear visibility. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, faster and more stable wireless connection for app control and video transfer. Voice control support, hands-free operation for safer driving. Built-in GPS tracking, record speed, location, and route data for added security. 256 GB card included, ready to use with large storage capacity out of the box. Loop recording and G-sensor, continuous recording with automatic event locking during impacts. The WOLFBOX G900 Tripro mirror dash cam is a premium 3-channel car surveillance system designed to provide full coverage and advanced features for modern drivers. Combining a sleek mirror design with powerful recording capabilities, this dash cam captures ultra-clear 4K footage from the front, along with 2.5K interior and 1080p rear bumper views. Powered by the Starvis 2. Number 470, My A810S 4K dual dash cam, front and rear, Starvis 2 HDR night vision, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, AI motion detection, 24/7 parking mode, ADAS. Loop recording. 4K front plus rear recording. Ultra clear 4K front camera paired with rear camera for full road coverage. Starvis 2 HDR night vision. Superior low light performance with enhanced clarity and reduced noise. 24/7 parking surveillance. Continuous monitoring with AI motion detection for enhanced vehicle security. AI motion detection. Smart detection reduces false alerts and captures important events. Built-in GPS tracking records driving speed, routes, and location data. Wi-Fi connectivity and app control. Easily view, download, and manage footage via smartphone. Optional 4G remote viewing. Access live footage remotely with optional 4G module. ADAS safety features. Driver assistance alerts for lane departure, collision warnings, and more. Loop recording and time-lapse continuous recording with efficient storage management. The 70mA810S 4K dual dash cam is a high-performance in-car camera system designed to deliver exceptional video quality and advanced safety features. With a powerful 4K front camera and a rear camera for full coverage, this dash cam ensures you capture every detail on the road. Equipped with Starvis 2 HDR technology, the A810S provides outstanding night vision, delivering clear and detailed footage even in low light or nighttime conditions. The intelligent AI motion detection enhances parking surveillance by identifying real movement and reducing false alerts. The 24/7 parking mode keeps your vehicle protected at all times, while the built-in GPS records essential driving data such as speed and route history. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily access and manage recordings through a mobile app, and optional 4G support allows remote viewing from anywhere. Advanced driver assistance systems add an extra layer of safety by providing alerts for potential hazards, helping you stay aware on the road. Number 5. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 Compact 1080p dash camera with 140 degrees FOV, voice control, Wi-Fi connectivity, parking monitoring. Ultra-small design 010-02504-00 ultra compact design. Tiny, discreet form factor easily mounts behind your rearview mirror. 1080p full HD recording. Clear and reliable video capture for everyday driving. 140 degree wide-angle lens. Broad field of view to cover more of the road. Voice control hands-free operation to save videos, start/stop recording, and more. Wi-Fi and app connectivity. Access live view, playback, and share footage via smartphone. Parking monitoring. Monitor your vehicle while parked with connected features. Requires constant power. Automatic incident detection. G-sensor saves important footage during collisions or sudden events. Loop recording. Continuous recording with automatic override of old files. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is a powerful yet ultra-compact dash camera designed for drivers who want reliable protection without bulky equipment. Its tiny size allows it to blend seamlessly into your vehicle's interior, making it nearly invisible when mounted behind the rearview mirror. Despite its small footprint, the Mini 2 records in crisp 1080p full HD with a 140 degree wide-angle lens, ensuring clear coverage of the road ahead. It features voice control, allowing you to operate the camera hands-free, perfect for safer driving. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily access footage, adjust settings, and share videos through the Garmin Drive app.